Addie is going to try on our summertime sorbet collection for us today. First, why don't you give us just a quick rundown of your sizes?
So I'm 5'10". I'm typically a medium in everything. If I'm ever sizing up, it's typically in bottoms just for the hip area. This is a size medium. This is so cute, so comfortable. It is like a dress here. And then the sleeves undo, so if you wanted to bring it down. I also think this would be cute with sneakers. I think you could dress this down and do whatever you feel comfortable in. And I feel like this just screams spring. So it's got like a little tie here and you can undo it. And the sleeves are a little flowy here and they're a little see-through through the sleeves, but this is just super cute. This is super fun. And good length, I feel like, for a tall girl as well. Usually I struggle in dresses a little bit, but I feel very comfortable with the length. I'm in a medium here as well, and I still feel so comfortable in the length. This is just so cute, so dainty, so like fun and just
cute, feminine.
Yeah, it's very feminine, very cute. So this is like the elastic sleeves. I don't feel like I'm slipping. Sometimes I struggle with that a little bit, but feel very secure here. Got a little tie at the top. I love off the shoulder tops. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So this is very cinching. It's very pulling in, but not like I don't feel tight in it. Skirt, I'm in a medium in the top and bottom. This doesn't have, oh yeah, it has a little slit in the back. I like a back slit. So, and then this kind of pulls apart here at the top. Super cute. And this makes me want to go to the beach or just somewhere tropical. Yeah. But I am in the medium here. This is so cute. It does come down a bit in the front, but it feels good. It's got like a little bit of cinching action, so I feel nice and pulled in here. Did I say I'm in a medium? I'm in a medium, and then I just paired it with a clear little heel. So cute. So I am in a 28 in these bottoms, and they definitely are, they have some give, they have some stretch, which is really nice, but they fit great. So the little pockets in the front are super cute. Got pockets in the back, and then this top is super cute. It's very flowy, got little holes in it, but not see-through at all, but super cute. A very fun, cute pink spring outfit. Just wanted to dress the bottoms down a little bit with this cute t-shirt. It's a medium. It's definitely more oversized, but I love the fit of it. It's so good. It's not too big. I wanted to show what is this called, because technically it's a dress.
Technically it's a dress. It is a little bit harder fit for a dress on some people, I would say. Yeah. I would say if you want to wear it as a dress, you definitely want to size up a size or two. But I would wear it as a duster all day long, kind of like how you have it styled, for sure.
Yeah. And it's super lightweight too.
Yes.
Really like this one. Same shirt that Law is wearing. This is super cute. This is so lightweight. Again, it's just a little bit oversized through here. Is this like medium?
One size.
One size, okay. One size here. And then same as the pants that I had on earlier. Still 28 here.
Those are pretty cute on you.
These are very giving, and they fit really good, really stretchy. Okay, pink is screaming my name. I love it. This is so comfortable, and just the fabric is really great. And then it has shorts underneath, and the back is pretty low cut, but I think it's still
cute little athletic dress.
And then it's got built-in pads in the front, so that is also really nice. This is so cute. I love this. This is such a good like everyday.
Yes.
Easy to put on. I just love it. Got a little rose action on the front. And I just put a pair of sandals with it, but I really think you could go anyway. I think sneakers would be super cute. And it's got little slits on both sides, really good length. So I do have it with a pair of jeans, and it has the built-in pads as well. So that's really nice. And it's got that little crisscross.
Yeah, like the little race rack. That's adjustable too.
Yeah, I was gonna say adjustable straps. So it's really nice. It's a really good fit. I like that I don't feel tight, but I definitely feel secure. I like that. And so I'm in a medium. I really love this. This just fits in all the good spots.
That is so cute. Don't
say it to me. So it's got the buttons that go up the sides, but it's really stretchy. It's a very nice fit, and I am in the medium in this one.
All right, guys. So this is our summertime sorbet collection. If you have any questions on anything that we have showed you today, please feel free to reach out. We are happy to do our best to answer any questions that you might have. Again, we want to get you in the right pieces the first time. Also, be sure to join us next week because Erin is going to be back with us trying on all of our new items. So Thank you guys so much for joining. We appreciate you so much. Always love all your support, and we couldn't do it without you. So thanks again.